enjoy, and this is one of the dishes that I would like for you to try. This dish is a souped up potato salad. It has got all kinds of beautiful, wonderful things inside, and it is marvelous. It's marvelous, y'all. It's marvelous. And I'm sure you will love to try to make this for your family. After this presentation, I will show you how to make this wonderful, wonderful dressed up potato salad. This is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call potato salad. Yes, indeed. I have several potato salads that's on my website and on my YouTube channel, but I want to make a new one for you. And this one right here is going to be a dressed up potato salad for the feast days that's coming, y'all. So, Mama always boiled her eggs with her potatoes. She always did it, and I still do it too. Okay, I will be right back and show you what I put in my potato salad. We call it dressed up potato salad for the feast days that's coming. I'll call it the harvest potato salad, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, we're ready to assemble our potato salad. I like a lot of eggs in my potato salad. Yes, indeed. I like to chop my eggs big like this because when you have potato salad and you don't taste the eggs, it's because they're too small. A lot of people like it that way, but it's fine. I love anybody potato salad. If it's good, hey, I don't care how you fix it, as long as it's good. But right here, I like to use chunky eggs. I like to use olives. I like to use celery, green onions, a lot of green onions, red bell pepper. I like to use garlic. I like to use pickles, and I like to use bacon bits, imitation bacon bits, and that's what I like to put in mine. I'm letting the potatoes get cool, and then when they get cool and cold, then we will assemble the potato salad. I like to put paprika, black pepper, like I said, the bacons, parsley flake, mustard, and peppercorn, y'all, and mayonnaise. And we're going to assemble this bad boy together and let y'all see what the company, the souped up, delicious potato salad for the feast days coming, y'all. All right, we got our potatoes all chopped up. They're very tender, and that's how you want them. You want to boil them in a little water with your eggs, like I showed you. We boil ours with our eggs and the potatoes together. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add our ingredients. The olives, the celery, the scallions, the red bell pepper. Now you can use pimentos if you like. The pickles, the garlic, and the imitation bacon bits. Add all that in there, just like that, y'all. We're going to soup it up just like that. Get it all even. Make sure the garlic is all even with this, okay? Okay, what we're going to do now is going to add the mustard. Now, I love a mustard potato salad. A lot of mustard in mine. I like it, but we're not going to put a lot of mustard in this. We're just going to do just a mediocre, just enough that it's going to be very flavorful. Mustard don't want to come out, y'all. I love mustard. I think I use 2 bottles of mustard a month, excuse me. Okay, we're going to add parsley flakes. Just like this. Parsley flakes go in it, y'all. I love parsley flakes. Then we're going to add black pepper. Add black pepper. Like this. Black pepper. I love black pepper, y'all. Y'all know I do. And we're going to add some pepperoncino. Just a little now. If you like it, you put more in there if you like. And then we're going to add the bacon bits again. That wasn't quite enough. Just like that. Maybe a little bit like that. And we're going to add the mayonnaise. Okay, we're going to add the mayonnaise. Get another spoon. Add the mayonnaise. Just like this. Don't put too much. Just put a little enough to be able to blend this together. Just like this, y'all. Easy potato salad. Just so easy. And you're going to be so proud of yourself because You done it. You done a potato salad and you thought you couldn't do it, huh? Well, you sure did do it. Look at that. Everything is blended, just like this. You can mash as you go if you want to. You can mash some of the potatoes in there. Now, I want a little bit more mustard in mine. A little bit more mustard would not hurt mine, y'all. Now, you can put as much as you want in yours. But I love mustard. I must not have that little thing out right, y'all, or something. I'm going to have to come back and fix that. All right, we back. I got the mustard in there. I'm going to put a little sugar in there, y'all. A lot of people don't like to put a little sugar, but I put a little sugar in mine. And then we're going to blend the mustard with the potato salad, just like this. Now, it looks like we need a little bit more mayonnaise. Just a little bit more. A little bit more mayonnaise in there. Okay. And we got it all incorporated like this. You can mash the potato as you go. Not so mashy. And then, what we put last is the eggs. But look like to me, it needs a little bit more season to it, y'all. It looks like some more stuff needs to be in it. We're going to put some more parsley flakes in it. More parsley flakes. We're going to put some more bacon bits, imitation bacon. And we're going to add some more peppercino. Just a little bit more, y'all. Just a little bit more. I love this potato salad already, y'all. And maybe a little more black pepper. You know, I'm going to put a little black pepper in it. Just a little bit more. And then we're going to tilt it up. Like that. And I know it's ready now, y'all. The way it looks, it's ready. And now, we're going to add our eggs. All these eggs go in there like that, y'all. All these eggs. All these eggs goes into this potato salad. I'm toss it up. Ooh, what I'm that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. A potato salad with a lot of eggs in it. Okay, and it's chunky too. And look like we need some more mustard and a little bit more, just a little bit mustard and more mayonnaise, and we'll be through with this viscosity, y'all. Okay. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now your potato salad is ready. And you can put it in another bowl, or you can leave it in this one if you want. So I'm going to leave mine in this one. And I'm going to smooth it out like that. Look at that. Ooh, this potato salad, y'all, is on the chain, y'all. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, we're going to smooth it out a little bit. A little chunky like. And we're going to add a little. I like it just like that, y'all. Wow. Just like that. Just let me taste this. That is good. What we're going to do, add a little Puerto Rico on top. Just a little. That is so good. I'm going to add no parsley flakes on top. My sister makes the best potato salad. And she is the one who makes potato salad for all our events. Yes, you do. Peppercino on top. Make it look pretty. That is so good. Add some more bacon bits. And your potato salad is ready. In the refrigerator and let it get cold. It's ready to be eaten. And believe me, y'all, it's good. It's good. I got a fork now. Taste it for y'all. Let's see what it look like. Look at that. Potato salad. Look at that. Taste it. Fabulous. This channel will tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel and in these recipes. And these recipes are also on soulfoodqueen.net. And you might find some recipes you did not get the chance to see. This is Sandra. Will say happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.